Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we are making a Lebanese rice pilaf. This wonderful side dish incorporates toasted vermicelli noodles for added nutty flavor and a little bit of texture to otherwise boring rice. It's a fantastic side dish the whole family will love. Our side dish today starts by heating 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Butter or olive oil would also work here, but the ghee adds even more delicious nutty flavor. Plus, the ghee is also less likely to burn because the milk solids have been removed. And to the hot fat, you'll add 3/4 of a cup of vermicelli pasta. Heat over medium until the pasta turns a deep amber color, stirring frequently. It really only takes a few minutes. You'll want to add 2 cups of long grain rice to a strainer. I'm using a basmati rice today, and rinse well with cool water. And it's important to rinse the rice well. This removes the excess starch, making the rice less sticky. To the toasted pasta, we'll add the rinsed rice. Stir in the rice to coat with the fat. Add 4 cups of chicken broth, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir and bring to a simmer. Cover, reduce your heat to low, and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove from the heat and allow to rest for 5 minutes. Fluff gently and top with fresh parsley and toasted pine nuts or almonds for added crunch. Fluffy rice studded with toasted pasta for added flavor and texture. It's a wonderful side dish for any occasion. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe. Or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.